Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8a and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find either Google or the accounts. It's up to you. I prefer this section, so let me tap on it, and as you can see we've got our Google account currently added, so maybe let's start with adding a new one. Just tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and enter the screen lock to confirm if you've got one, of course. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. Okay, and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got a Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course we can read it. Just tap on it and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. I don't want to save my password, but of course it's up to you. And of course if you're adding your first Google account, then you will see this section, so let's simply tap on it, and as you can see our account has been immediately added. Of course we can also remove it. Just tap on it and tap on remove. Tap on remove and it will immediately disappear. Let me remove also this one. Okay, as you can see sometimes it will be a little bit more complicated, but still it's quite easy. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.